Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the latest steel balcony railing design ideas for 2024. So friends, what is the price for steel balcony railing design ideas? So friends, if you like our videos then please like and share our videos. So thank you for watching. So let's continue to the topic. The price of steel railings for balconies in India. It's influenced by several factors. Making their cost is important consideration for builders and homeowners. And here is analysis of the importance of steel railings and pricing and factors to the affecting this. Steel railings comes in various price ranges depending on the types of steel, mild steel or stainless steel and etc. and designs, intricacy and finishes. While steel railings maybe have higher initial cost compared to the some alternatives, wood or PVC, their durability and low maintenance making them cost effective in the long run. And Oronet designs or integrated features like glass panels or lighting will increase the cost, allowing for flexibility based on the buyer's budget. And stainless steel grade like 304 and 3016 are commonly used in India. That means 304 and 316. Grade 316 which are more resistant to the corrosion and may cost more but it's better suited for coastal or humid areas. And more economical option but maybe requires additional treatment to prevent rust impacting the overall cost. Integrate modern or designer railings are priced higher but added significant aesthetic value to properties enhance resale and potential buyers. And polish and matte and powder coated or printed finishes also influence the price and visual appeal. And price of the raw materials and labors vary across in India. Impact trailing cost for examples. Urban areas higher labor and material cost like Delhi and Mumbai, and rural and smaller cities more affordable due to their lower overheads and typically added to the product price depending on the complexity of the design and labor charges. Stainless steel railings is require minimal maintenance, saving on cost over time compared to the wood or iron railings, which might need to be the frequent repairs and the basic and mild steel railings is the 250 to 400 per square foot and stainless steel railings is grade 304 400 to 800 per square foot. Premium stainless steel grade 316 800 to 1200 per square foot or more. Designer and customized railings 1000 to 2500 per square foot depending on the complexity. The pricing of steel railings for balconies in India is crucial for balconies and balancing affordability with quality, safety and design. Buyers should evaluate their requirements, materials, grades and local market rates to find the best option that aligns with their budget and durability expectations. And the design of steel balcony railings is important for several reasons, blending functionality, aesthetic, and safety. Steel railings is the act has barrier to prevent accidental falls, ensure the safety of residents, especially children and elders and individuals. Proper design adheres to building codes and standards that dedicate the height and spacing the strength of railings. Steel is strong and resistant and providing long-term protection against impact of the environmental wear. And steel allow for integrate designs and from minimalistic modern styles to ornate traditional patterns, offering versatile and much personal and architectural preferences. And steel balcony railings is especially those treated with coating like powder coating or resistant to the rust or corrosion, making them suitable for outdoor use. Unlike wood and steel requires minimal upkeep, reducing long-term maintenance and cost, steel can be designed to integrate additional features like glass panels, LED lightnings, or planter holders, and enhance